Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, feel. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains. Still taking that whip, still trying to get paid. Still trying to find God, still trying to act safe. Yeah. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to warrant my granted justice and crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your step. Get your soul in line, chasing after checks. If you ain't inclined to say what's on your mind, please don't throw your stones at me for speaking what's on mine. Man, I still don't feel that comfy in my own skin. It's hard to find your self-worth as a broken kid. These frames never held images of my own kin. That's why rap sheet the only place we fit it in. Yeah, you can go to court or you go on that court. You do 9 to 5 or you go play a sport. Can't represent the house if you out on that field. If you forget your place, you might turn to Emmett Till. Watch them legislate to execute my brothers that they kill. Got me talking about my problems as a way for me to heal. I went looking for a Beverly when I went to the hills, but I came back with a diamond and a couple dollar bills. Now they got me saying, oh yeah, don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, dark clouds in the air. If you don't know the game, then they ain't playing fair. Still selling false hope to you cause they don't care.
I remember being so naive. Back when life was compared to good weather and palm trees. Back in those days, you were everything that I thought that I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. You really played me for a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Cause you know they say, there's a thin line between love and hate.
Don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, still selling false hope, but you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, feel. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains. Still taking that whip, still trying to get paid. Still trying to find God, still trying to act safe. Yeah. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to Warren, my granted justice and crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your step. Get your soul in line, chasing after checks. If you ain't inclined to say what's on your mind, please don't throw your stones at me for speaking what's on mine. Man, I still don't feel that comfy in my own skin. It's hard to find your self-worth as a broken kid. These frames never held images of my own kin. That's why I rap sheet the only place we fit it in. Yeah, you can go to court or you go on that court. You do 9 to 5 or you go play a sport. Can't represent the house if you out on that field. If you forget your place, you might turn to Emmett Till. Watch them legislate to execute my brothers that they kill. Got me talking about my problems as a way for me to heal. I went looking for a Beverly when I went to the hills, but I came back with a diamond and a couple dollar bills. Now they got me saying, oh yeah, don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, dark clouds in the air. If you don't know the game, then they ain't playing fair. Still selling false hope to you cause they don't care.
I remember being so naive. Back when life was compared to good weather and palm trees. Back in those days, you were everything that I thought that I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. You really played me for a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Cause you know they say, there's a thin line between love and hate.
Don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, still selling false hope, but you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, feel. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Just gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains. Still taking that whip, still trying to get paid. Still trying to find God, still trying to act safe. Yeah. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to Warren, my granted justice and crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your step. Get your soul in line. Chase.
Hello everyone. Hey guys, how are you today? Hope you're doing well. Hello old lady. YP Garik Ahmad, how are you everyone? Hope you're doing well. Aline, nice to see you all guys. Ready for today's session? Nice, Chris and Ramcom. Hazi, how are you guys? How's your day going? Hello Patrick. Patrick is with us today. He's chatting with you. Zabin, Hazi, Zabin, everyone. Nice to see you all. So guys, today we are doing something different than usual. I will start with the market updates and then directly I will go to take your desired asset to analyze them. Okay, so I will do first the Forex market, commodities, and then end it up with the crypto market. I will do a market update and then I will take your desired asset to analyze them. Okay. Hello Timothy, Keisha, Kim, Anthony, Milan, nice. Siad from India. Who's else from India? Europe. Is there anyone from Canada, Europe, Australia, Brazil? What's up, what's up? Guys, please do not forget to press like on this video. This will help us to make more content in the future, and if you like what we are doing, it's really nice from you to give us a thumbs up. It's like a thumbs up. You can press like and this will be a favor for us. Okay, so please feel free to press like before you start this live webinar. Dominican Republic, nice. Thank you, Amaro. Okay, so what I will do is first I will start with commodities. Okay, so I will do commodities in the beginning. What we have here is gold. I will start with the higher time frame. Okay guys, always whenever you analyze an asset, try to use the higher time frame. So here we are on the weekly time frame. The market is in a clear upward movement, higher highs and higher lows. Okay, and then the market stuck around this area here, the zone 1680 or 1700, near this level. What's next? We should consider a buy position because the market is stuck around a strong support. Also, you can see that we have the 61.8 here that coincide with this strong support. Also, we have a long wick to the downside, which is a good indication that the buyers take control of this asset. Okay, so most probably we should see in the coming days or weeks gold rallying to the upside. Okay, there is a huge probability that the market will rally. This is a correction here, this is a correction, impulse correction, and then the market will rally. Michigan, I can see people from Michigan, Canada, Panama, nice. ¿Qué tal, Tony? Muy bien. Hello everyone. Okay, nice from UK. Also we can see people from Nambia, UK. Okay, so what's next? So what I see is gold rallying in the coming days or weeks. So you can see it, impulse, correction, and then bum all the way up. It's obvious and clear. For the US oil or crude oil, here we have different situation. The market is rallying. Okay, so we are in an upward movement. To know this, you can see the higher lows, higher highs. So we are in an uptrend on the higher time frame. However, here we have a strong sell pressure. You can see this strong sell pressure with these huge wicks to the downside. I am fearing a reversal. When I say a reversal, that means a change in direction from an upward movement to a downward one. However, it's too late to say we have a reversal because the market is still above this strong area here, the resistance. Okay, you can see how the market is respecting this area. Okay, we have here the support, resistance, and now a support. So what most probably will happen for the US oil, maybe test this and then shoot to the upside. Okay, if not, this is the most probable, this is the highest, or the most likely scenario is to see a bounce and then move to the upside. The least likely scenario is to see a breakout of this level and then drop, but this is the least likely scenario. Okay, I repeat, this is the least likely scenario to see a breakout and a move to the downside. The most likely one, a bounce on the highlighted zone, the gray area, and then a move to the upside. Sorry guys, we have some alarms here that are annoying us. Okay, hello Suhail from Egypt, Detroit. Okay, let's look now on the DXY or the dollar. So as you know now, whenever you want to trade Forex, first look at the DXY or the dollar index, because it is the strongest currency in the world and it shows you how most of the pair will move in the coming days or weeks. So let me ask you here a question for you, as per your analysis and using this graph. What do you see the direction when it comes to the US dollar? Do you see it in an uptrend or a downtrend? A quick question here. So text me there, what do you see when it comes to the dollar index? Is it in an upward or in a downward movement? Let's see some people here answer. Up, Andy, up, up, up. No, I'm not on a motorbike. A motorbike passed by. Down, up, up, up. I definitely gave my like and follow. Yeah, down, up, up. Please guys, do not forget to like our live webinar. This is really important to both of us. Downtrend. That's good, guys. Recently ranging but overall trending down. This is a really good answer, Suhail. So when it comes to the dollar index, we can see that the US dollar, it is ranging, as Suhail said. Okay, so we had a downward movement, lower highs, lower lows, but now the market is ranging, which is something I don't like in trading. It's really annoying. So what's next for the dollar index? So since it is ranging, now we cannot assume how most probably the market will move. What we can expect is maybe a continuation of this range until we see a breakout, either from the upside or from the downside. If it's from the upside, then we have a reversal. Suhail said we were in a downtrend. This is the general direction or the main direction of the dollar index. If the market moved to the upside, we say that we have a reversal. However, if the market continued to the downside, this was considered as a correction, impulse correction, and then move to the downside. So the dollar index, it is annoying, but we see it in a range, and to understand why it is in a range, we should search for a critical area. And if you look here, you know why now the market is stuck. Okay, it's easy to trade, guys. Trade with simplicity. Do not overcomplicate your trading strategy. Make it as simple as it could be. Nice, nice, nice. Seeing some people that already liked our contact. It's an uptrend. Hi from Spain, Karim. I do live in Spain, by the way. In 2 days I will be back in Barcelona. Okay, not 2 days. In fact, tomorrow I will be in Barcelona. So let's continue for the Euro USD. So as you can see, we have a range. So the dollar index is near the resistance. So what most probably we could see is a downward movement. And if this downward movement happens, the Euro USD should rally. If we go on the Euro USD, we have the same shape, a range, but here the Euro USD is to the downside. So most probably we could see the Euro USD rallying in the coming days. So it might be a good area to buy. Okay, but here you should be an expert to trade this type of range. Lot of fake breakouts here, lot of fake breakouts. Okay, and this is what happened to our trading idea GBP USD. Okay, the market triggered our stop loss and then went to the upside. Anyway, let's talk a little bit about cryptocurrencies. I will do Ethereum and BTC USD, and after it, please prepare your pairs and asset to analyze them. Okay, nice from Alicante, nice to see you. Encantado. Okay, so what I will do is I will go for Ethereum, ETH. Today and the last 2 days the market is rallying. Sorry, the crypto market back to bullish, and now we can see a lot of good opportunities. So the ETH tried to break this strong area here, you can see it guys, and now it rallied to the upside. We have a strong support here, as you can see. So I can see the Ethereum rising again until the 4,157. This is a swing trade, it's not a day trade. Usually when we post our trading signals, they are day trades, but here I am giving you some swing trades in the coming days and weeks. Okay, so we might see another test here and then all the way up to this level here, 4,117. Let's see the BTC. Everyone is looking at the BTC USDT. The BTC here is stuck around a strong area, which is the 46,890. Okay, it is a little bit worrying me, but I consider this market as bullish. The market managed to break this annoying range. We had this long range here since the beginning of May. This is around 3 months from now, and then it managed to break it to the upside, which is really good, and maybe we can see new upward movement again, and maybe breaking the all-time high by the end of year. Okay, so for now we have higher lows, higher high. This is really good, healthy movement to the upside. Crypto market coming back to the bullish club. Okay guys, so we did our market updates. Now it's your turn to choose whatever you like to analyze it before finishing this session. I am waiting for your desired asset from now. I will take now these desired assets. So I will start with Adam, EuroCAD. Let's go for the EuroCAD to see what we have. Okay, please just choose one asset. Just choose one asset. We will take 10 minutes to do your desired asset. So choose one asset to analyze it. EuroCAD. So the EuroCAD, I already prepared the EuroCAD today morning. EuroCAD managed to break this bearish channel. We have the strong support resistance. So what I will do is I will wait for more candlestick above the 47.69, and then I might buy the EuroCAD. So I am bullish. This is really good. This is a really good movement to the upside. You can see we have big bodied bullish wicks. So most probably the next target for the EuroCAD, if you long this asset, good for you, and you might see it reaching the 48.94 USD in the coming days. Okay, this is a good target for EuroCAD. So next I will take, after EuroCAD, GBP USD. GBP USD, we took a trade on the GBP USD. Unfortunately we hit by the stop loss. I was unlucky on this. You can see it here. This is our trade on the GBP USD. I am buying it until 38.87. We were far maybe by 2 pips. Unfortunately I was hit, or the stop loss was hit by 2 pips. It's fine, it happens, this is trading. So I will see the GBP USD rallying again until this area 38.86. Next I will take someone EuroCAD. Sorry, Australian USD. Sorry, I missed Rowell. Australian USD. Let's see what's happening for the Australian USD. Okay, Australian USD. Let me go on the higher time frame. Australian USD, it is testing this area, guys, here, which is really a strong area or key level, 73.39. Okay, so here the area, it is stopping the Australian US dollar to move to the downside. So I don't like such areas to trade. I will be concerned and I will wait for the next candlestick. This is a really a risky area to trade or zone. I don't trade such an asset, and for sure we are in a downtrend. We have lower highs and lower lows. Most probably it will continue to the downside, but I need more confirmation to trade the Australian USD to the downside. Okay, next. Oh my god, too many oh my god, too many assets to analyze. EuroCAD, Euro USD. I said Euro USD, I am bullish. Yeah, I am sweating. Where are you from, amigo? I'm from Lebanon but living in Spain. Euro JPY, it is moving to the downside, and we have an area here that you should watch out. So the downward movement, it might be stopped around this area. Maximum it will go to this area here. Okay, 128.69. Okay, next I will look at EuroCAD. We talked Australian Euro. Sorry guys, I will try to do the US 100 and the US 500, but the thing is we do not cover such asset. I don't know if we told you this, but I will look quickly at the US 100. I will do it quickly, but usually I don't trade such indices. So as you can see, Amaro, the market is in a clear range, which is, I always say, when it's in a range it's annoying. So expect that the market will continue this until we see a breakout, or to the downside or to the upside. Okay, now we can see that we have a double top. This is a double top, so there is a huge probability that we can see a reversal. I do not sell this US 100 unless I see a move below the low of this range, below the lower side of this range. Okay, so it's too early to say we have a reversal. Okay, for now the market might continue like this. We have a range. Okay, this is quickly when it comes to the US 100. GBP New Zealand. Let's take a quick look at the GBP New Zealand. Do not forget, for the newcomers to this live webinar, to press like and enjoy our webinar. Please, a like from you, it's like a sum up to our content. So GBP New Zealand, it is stuck around this level, which is a strong support. I do not see any opportunities unless I can see a movement to the upside. So the market could get stuck here and start to rallying to the upside, but trading against the main trend. I do not advise it unless you have a good confirmation or strong confirmation before taking such a trade. Okay, so GBP New Zealand, we have a strong area here that it couldn't surpass it to the downside. Most probably it will test it again. Okay, here we have also a strong resistance. You can see it. It's all about support and resistance, the form of the candlesticks, how they look. This is really important. And let's say some common patterns. They will help you to build a very simple and successful strategy. Check ARPA. What is this ARPA? Okay, ARPA. I will go for the backtest area. ARPA. It seems a crypto. ARPA is moving to the upside. Watch out. You should consider a buy position if you day trade this. But the problem is we have a strong area here. Okay, so the market could get stuck here or could get stuck here. You can see it. Okay, and it's already couldn't break it to the upside. So for now I will not buy ARPA because it reached a strong area. Let's see how it will approach this level here. Maybe we can buy it from here if there is a relevant bars. Since I am a price action trader, I would like to see how the bars will be formed around this level here. Okay, this is ARPA in a less than 1 minute time. XAU USD, I already did it. US 100 same, Australian USD same, GBP USD, Australian JPY, and I will take Euro New Zealand for Suhail since he had a good analysis on the DXY, and we will finish our lovely webinar. Do not forget to press like. Now I will take Australian JPY for Karim from Spain, and then we will end it with Suhail with Euro New Zealand. Australian JPY is in a good movement to the downside, but we have a fake breakout. This is why I tell you guys, do not trade around these levels, the red ones in my graph, or key levels, support and resistance, because there will be a huge fake breakout. This is a fake breakout. It might end like this. Okay, so watch out from these levels. The market fooled some sellers. There are new traders that whenever they see a breakout, they consider it as a real one and they will sell, but trading is not like this. Okay, so watch out from these levels. We have a fake breakout most probably. Let's see how the market will react in the coming days. It might reverse or go to the downside, but I go on the lower time frame to see how the bars will be formed in the coming hours. It's too early to sell or buy unless I see many bars on the 1 hour time frame or on the lower time frame to see who's in control of this market. Okay, please do not be naive and sell whenever you see a breakout such this case. Okay, be wise, patient, and smart about your trades. Euro New Zealand for Suhail, and then that's it. Oh, I see, guys, many of you are asking about some desired asset, but sorry, we are out of time, so I will do Euro New Zealand and ending this session. Euro New Zealand, the market couldn't close below this level here, which is 66.94 or 95. It posted on the daily time frame an engulfing bullish pattern which led to a move to the upside. I wanted to trade the Euro New Zealand all the way up. until this level here, which is 68.34. So the market could test again this highlighted zone, tested it like this, and then all the way up to the 68.35. Guys, I need to thank you for being here for this webinar. Last time, do not forget to press like on this webinar. Hope we will see you next Monday, all of you, and I will be able to cover all your desired assets. I know I couldn't do them all. My pleasure to see you again. Have a lovely day and see you next Monday at 3 p.m. GMT time. Have a good day. Bye bye.